If you're having a lot of issues with your gut and your microbiome, here are some reasons, and I've got 9 of them, why your gut microbiome is so messy. Okay, number 1 on my list is your diet may be contributing to that messy microbiome, meaning that maybe you're having too many processed foods in your diet, maybe too much sugar, and I'm talking mostly processed sugar, but again, eating foods and fruits out of season based on your local environment and the season in which you're in can really cause and wreak havoc on your healthy gut microbiome because that food is actually programmed by the sunlight under which it has been grown. And if you are out of season eating, for instance, a banana in the middle of winter here in Canada, it is not great for your healthy microbiome. Okay, number 2 on my list is alcohol. So again, alcohol can really wipe out a lot of your good flora, your probiotics. If you think about when you cut yourself, maybe you put some alcohol on there, somebody's done that for you to help to clean the wound and to clean that bad bacteria. Well, think of your live gut bacteria, your probiotics. When you're drinking alcohol and overdoing it with alcohol, it can really wipe away your good flora. Okay, number 3 on my list is colds and flu. So if you do come down with something, maybe you've got an infection happening, that can also mess up your microbiome. That's going to tie into number 7 on my list, so we're going to get there in a second. Okay, number 4 on my list is parasites, Candida. So those unwanted organisms, maybe you've picked them up from eating food outside of your home or even in your home, so eating a lot of fresh fruits and vegetables, especially your organic ones. Typically you can pick up a lot of parasites. And it's often opposite of what you may have thought. Eating a healthier diet does sometimes make you more prone to picking up some of these less favorable organisms, especially if your microbiome is compromised and you don't have enough of the good guys to really protect you. Okay, number 5 on my list is stress. We know that stress is going to compromise our healthy digestion and our health in general, but it can also compromise your gut microbiome. Number 6 on my list is lack of natural sunlight exposure. So did you know that your gut actually gives off light? And your gut is also programmed by the light. So this is part of your circadian biology. And if your gut microbiome never actually sees the light of day, so you're wearing clothes all the time, you're always under artificial lights like, here in the studio, that's something that again is going to mess up potentially your microbiome. So really getting your gut microbiome in tune with natural sunlight exposure is going to be really helpful to clean up that messy microbiome. Okay, number 7, another reason why your microbiome may be so messy is protocols that you may have done. So maybe you did get a cold or a flu, maybe you had an infection, you were prescribed antibiotics. I'm talking about conventional antibiotics. Well, that could sometimes wipe out your good guys, your good healthy probiotics, and sometimes set you up for the fact that maybe some of these bad guys can take over. Okay, number 8 on my list is being too clean all the time. So for those of you who love hand sanitizer, sometimes that can actually mess up your microbiome because now you are eradicating your good guys, your probiotics as well. And number 9, another reason why your gut microbiome may not be as healthy as what it could be is food poisoning. So you've actually eaten or ingested something that is not great for your gut microbiome and it's offset that entire balance, and that's another reason potentially that you've got some gut issues. So you may be wondering how you clean up this messy microbiome. Well, I've got some tips. I want you to check it out in another video of mine, 9 tips to cleanse your microbiome. I'll see you there.